your involvement in this case, just want to get what your involvement was. You work in Georgia.
Yes.
And were you a sort of a supervisor of the individuals that were working in Georgia?
No, my sergeant called and asked me to come.
Okay. And so who was supervising the operation in Georgia?
We don't really have like a supervisor. I mean, I kind of became the main point of contact, but the way we work on the unit, we just all do stuff together.
Okay.
So there's no real like supervisor.
All right, no problem. But I guess, part of the investigation entailed you holding on to a phone, right?
Correct.
The phone that was inside of the cruise?
Yes.
And who had that phone?
Inside the cruise?
Yes. Do you know who had access to the phone?
Both of them, I believe.
Both
Charmaine and Rashad.
Okay, so both Rashad and Charmaine. Were there any other phones recovered?
No.
It's Exhibit 65B. You mentioned this on direct, right?
Yes.
Do you know the significance of it?
I only did it at the time. I was still getting filled in on all the details, and I remember they had told me that there was like some beef between the victim in this case and another rapper named Yungeen Ace. So I was just going through it and then taking notes. Okay. So I just put this in there.
Understood. This exhibit, states 65D. You see the name Gutterman there, correct?
Yes.
Do you know who Gutterman is?
I do. I did that back then. Yeah, I do now too. Sorry.
Okay. Is it Isaiah Chance?
Yes.
At least that's what the evidence tells you?
That's what I was told, yes.
Right. And that phone number there, do you know that phone number, 904-309-4707, if that belonged to Isaiah Chance?
I don't know. I don't think I did any additional research on that phone number. I just remember them asking for the name Gutta when I was going through the phone.
Okay, but for sure, that number does not belong to Alicia Andrews. Is that correct?
I have no idea.
All right. But at least there's no evidence that you have that would suggest that that phone number belongs to Alicia Andrews.
Yeah, I have no evidence.
All right. Showing 65E, state 65E. This photograph, do you know who is depicted in this photograph?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off.
You're good, you're good. Do you know whose foot or leg is depicted in this photograph?
I don't.
Okay. You're not sure if that's Rashad or Davion?
No, I can't see I can't see their face.
Okay. And then what about the, I guess the significance of the photo itself? Do you know what this photo signifies?
So I took note of this because I had seen the surveillance footage and it matched the clothing, and there were also some like jail calls later that mentioned the straight talk phone.
Okay.
Well, they didn't say a straight. They taught, what do they? They didn't want it to be tracked like an untraceable phone. I can't think of what
they call it, like a burner phone.
Yes, burner phone.
Right.
Or trap phone or something.
Okay. But none of that conversation was surrounded with Alicia Andrews, correct?
No.
This is 65F, state 65F. That AR that you see there, I guess there may be two weapons there. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Were any of these recovered?
I don't know.
All right. So do you know if these were used in the murder?
I don't know.
And do you know if any of these weapons have anything to do with Alicia Andrews?
I don't know.
The last portion of the exhibit, 65G, that we saw earlier. All right. The person sending this message, it looks like an Anthony, is that correct?
Correct.
At the very top, you see Anthony?
Yes.
And then it's sent at 3:55 a.m., correct?
Yes, that's what it says on there, yes.
All right. And this is an email that you receive when you book an Airbnb with Anthony, right?
Through Airbnb, yeah.
Okay. Through Airbnb, this
Yes.
is Anthony's email.
Yes, to
All
Anthony's
right.
property.
And this email is directed to Rashad.
Yes.
Rashad Murphy?
Yes.
Not Alicia Andrews?
No.
And this date, the dates for this booking, this Airbnb booking, are June 29th to June 24th. Is that correct?
No.
I'm
June
sorry.
22nd to June 24th.
Yeah, my numbers. June 22nd to June 24th. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And it also states on there that all guests booking with us provide a valid ID through the Airbnb message portal. Do you see that?
Yes.
All right. And do you know if Alicia Andrews' ID was ever provided?
I don't know, because I went through the download before I learned of her name, and then I gave it to Detective Ramos. So when I was going through it, it was just the initial stuff I had at the time. I didn't know her name, so if there is her ID in the phone, I wouldn't have remembered it.
Understood. You conducted an interview with Charmaine Steiger.
I did.
That's the woman who was with Rashad Murphy
Yes.
in Georgia.
Correct.
And Charmaine Steiger is his girlfriend.
Child's mother.
Child's mother.
Yeah.
They were together?
At the time, yes.
All right. And Charmaine Steiger does not live in Georgia, correct?
Correct.
Neither does Rashad Murphy.
Correct.
They both live in Jacksonville?
Correct.
And they both live together in the same home at the time?
I think she said he had just started staying there. I don't know. I can't remember exactly. She said
Okay.
it was complicated.
All right. But they ended up in Georgia, what is this, the day after the murder?
No, it was the 26th, I believe.
A few days after the murder, you all found them in Georgia?
Correct.
Do you have any reason to be in Georgia?
Judge, objection, speculation.
If she knows, do you know?
I found an address associated with them, but I don't know, or associated with Rashad, but other than that, I don't know.
All right. Rashad is supposed to have been in Florida, in Tampa, Florida, during the time of this murder. Is that correct?
Correct.
Charmaine Steiger told you she was with him in Jacksonville on the day of the murder.
Sustain the objection. Sustain.
Can we come sidebar? This is a
No.
non-hearsay statement, Judge. It's not for the truth of the matter asserted.
No, sustain the objection.
Charmaine Steiger never got arrested, right?
I don't think so.
No further questions.
Okay, redirect.
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal, you indicated that we just all do stuff together when you're conducting investigations. Were you talking about you and the other detectives in the homicide unit?
Yeah, we just all kind of take tasks and do it.
You work as a team.
Yes.
The photograph of the clothing states 65E. Of the leg with the boot on, the bag with the charger, the cigarettes, and the burner phone. The clothing you indicated matched the descriptions from the surveillance videos from the murder.
Correct.
Okay. I don't have anything else, Your Honor.
All right, may this witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Free
you,
to go.
Honor.